Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup packet wallah. First, gather your chosen soup packet, the specified amount of water, and a suitable saucepan. Always check the packet for precise water measurements, as these can vary. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. This simple preparation ensures a delicious and quick meal. Once your water is boiling, carefully empty the entire contents of the soup packet into the saucepan. It's crucial to stir the mixture continuously as it heats to ensure all the powder dissolves smoothly and no lumps form. Keep stirring until the soup thickens to your desired consistency, usually within 2 to 3 minutes. This active stirring is key for a perfect texture. To elevate your packet soup, consider adding some fresh vegetables like finely chopped carrots, peas, or corn during the last minute of cooking. This boosts nutrition and adds texture. For a final touch, garnish with fresh cilantro or chopped spring onions. Serve your hot, flavorful soup immediately with a side of crusty bread or crackers for a complete and satisfying meal. For a thicker soup, use slightly less water than recommended or add a bit more for a thinner consistency. Always taste and adjust seasonings if needed. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. And speaking of exploring, if you love diving into new stories, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.